How are you, student? So today we are going to quick revision of chapter number 1 topic, write the characteristic of electric field line. In board exam June 24 and March 25, it will be asked in 2 mark. So write only 4. But we remember 5 electric field line. Ready? Let's start. The electric field line start from positive charge and end at nearest negative charge. So start from positive and end nearest negative charge. Two electric field lines never cross each other because at the point of intersect we cannot draw two tangent. Clear? Third, electric field line equidistant and parallel to each other in uniform electric field. Fourth, the tangent drawn to the any point of electric field line show the direction of electric field at that point. It will ask in MCQ also. Field line of stationary electric charge do not form closed loop. It is also very much important for MCQ. Electric field line perpendicular to any conductor. Clear? And the last, the distribution of electric field line at any region give the intensity of electric field. So whenever the electric field line is number of electric line more, the intensity of electric field is more. Where the number of electric field line is less, the electric field also less. Best of luck. So do remember, write only 5 characteristics. Best of luck. Thank you.